At Woven Health, we believe the greatest measure of leadership in medicine is not only advancing knowledge, but also giving back to the community. Our neurology team has embodied the same spirit by volunteering their time and expertise to serve patients who otherwise might not have this access and this specialty care.
I've always been fascinated with the brain, always been interested in how that works and how it breaks down.
And it just appalls me to think that people should go around hurting or getting worse or not understanding what's going on.
So volunteering here, it gives me an opportunity to help people who otherwise might have difficulty getting access to specialty care.
And so when Patrick, Dr. O'Sullivan, talked about the Woven Health Clinic, I was so inspired by what he said, and I said, this is the right thing to do. And so here I am.
Dr. Trivedi, Dr. O'Sullivan, and Beth represents that same spirit of service, combining clinical excellence with compassion and generosity.
People that have never had help with their migraines, it's not a new thing, migraine, But if you don't have the money and you haven't had the testing or the expertise, you continue to suffer.
When we first came here, she was having seizures. And in her treatment, she hasn't had a seizure in years. So we're very grateful to Dr. O'Sullivan. This clinic is doing astronomical work.
Woven has a wonderful culture, the staff and the leadership.
You have found, and your team have found a way to leverage any opportunity that is there to make sure that patients can get seen out here. I thought that was a neat experience and a neat eye-opener for me to understand how much work is going on at your place to provide no-cost or low-cost healthcare to patients.
Everybody in the clinic is such a good teacher, so I consider it a continuing education just to come here.
It's an honor, it's a privilege to work, to be able to contribute. I think it's just the right thing for a physician to do.
Their work reminds us all that medicine is not just about science, but about showing up for people when they need us most. Now that kind of commitment changes lives.
You get back way more than, just try to pay it forward, and it's like you get way more than you could ever handle, Although I am very old, so I have some time to pay it back.